Both the trunk and the deck lid switches are a single switch in an assembly on the driver's side inner sill plate, red arrow. You will need to remove the sill plate to change them out. Use a trim removal tool and starting at one end, lift the plate away from the vehicle. Once you get it started, you can get your hand underneath it and pull it straight up with your hand. You will need to clear the molding as you go. Work your way from one end to the other using care not to crack the plate. Lift the sill up. Here you can see the two metal clips that sit into openings in the body, red arrows. If these stay in the body, just pry them out and reinstall them into the sill plate. You can also see the plastic alignment pieces on each end. Disconnect the wiring harness for the trunk and deck lid, red arrow, by gently pulling back on the connector and separating them. Very carefully pry the 4 clips that hold the assembly in place in and down and away from the sill plate, red arrows. It helps to push down on the ends while doing this, blue arrows. Slide the switch out through the top. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.